Shake your head again. It's coming.
Do the head
Come on, do the head wobble.
That was so funny though. Yeah, I can see.
No, you can't use your hands. Keep wobbling your
I
head.
didn't touch it, I was just pointing to where I could
Alright. Keep wobbling. Go. Go. Come on, go.
Rub your face on the wall.
Yeah, rub your face on the wall. There you go. Oh, man.
Give it to me now.
It's gotta be extremely uncomfortable.
He's doing good though.
I know.
You gotta give him kudos for that. Like, it's entertaining and it's really working.
Wiggle your nose.
Just make sure you don't wiggle it back up.
I like that he's working his nose into the whole process.